Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you, we've got the inlet valve going into this refrigerator is leaking. I've already double checked the connections. The connections are not leaking. This is going to be one of the easiest replacements you could possibly do on a fridge. So all you're going to need is a little 1/4-inch nut driver to take these little bolts out right here. Try not to drop it because you waste time. You're going to pop those two out. I'm going to show you. I've already and then you're just going to disconnect the electrical connection here. Take off your inlet hose, which I already had loosened. You can see, so for these push-in connectors to release it, if you don't know, all you do is push in the little collar right here, push it in all the way, and then pull out the hose. It comes out that easy. I've already done this once, so the water's out of the line, so that's why it's not leaking right now. You can see there's water residue all over the side of this thing. There was literally a little mist of water coming out of it because there's a crack somewhere on it. I didn't pinpoint exactly where. Once you get this off, all you're going to do is you're going to look at the model number on here, which was the W. Let's see if we can get that to focus. W10394076. And then what I did is I put that number into Amazon and I got the replacement part overnight. So it is right here. And we're going to reconnect that hose, push in. What I like to do on these, if you're not too familiar with them, is put a little mark about 3/4 of an inch up, and that way you know that you're going in far enough. Because it might feel like it bottoms out right there, but if you push hard, it's going to go in quite a bit further than that. So you don't want to leave it loose at all. And then we're going to reconnect, make sure you knew which way was left and which way was right when you took this off. We're going to reconnect the electrical and then put these bolts, put these screws back in, nice and easy. The customer found a little teeny pool of water in front of the refrigerator, and that's what gave her the idea that something was leaking. And unfortunately, it's done some damage to the laminate floor, which is why I don't recommend laminate floor in the kitchen because of water damage, but it wasn't her choice. So that's it. And then we're going to reconnect our inlet hose and turn the water on. Oh yeah, make sure to turn that water off before you disconnect this hose if you didn't already. So we're going to tighten this up nice and tight. You don't have to go crazy with these. It has a little gasket inside of there that's going to seal it up. So you don't. This does not require thread tape, and it also does not require 1,000,000 pounds of torque. So basically, you're just going to put it to where it's tight on there a little bit, and then do maybe another half to a 1/4 turn. So right there, it tightened up, so I'm just going to do another little 1/4 turn beyond that. That's going to be plenty tight there. And then we're going to turn the water back on. We got no leaks, we got no drips. I usually would keep a blue paper towel right here with me, and then I can touch it to all this because the blue paper towel will show water a lot easier than a white one would. But water's on, no leaks. We're going to test it out. We are going to test it out by filling a full glass of water and just double checking for any leaks and drips. You can hear it activate. We are dry. So, repair done. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. Like it if you like it. Don't if you don't. Subscribe if you want. Don't if you don't. I don't care.